Taipei 101 is located in the earthquake and typhoon-prone city of Taiwan. The designers proposed that they could create a building that was structurally sound and flexible to withstand severe natural disasters. The key component of Taipei 101, which allows the building to withstand typhoon winds and earthquakes, is the 660-ton damper, which hangs suspended from the 87th and 92nd floor. The weight of the damper counteracts the strong winds and earth movements, allowing the building to remain standing. The significance of this building, which has had its significance on society, is the possibility to construct mass infrastructure with the security that buildings can withstand catastrophic events. Taipei 101 stands less than 200 metres from a major fault line and can withstand earthquakes of level 9 on the Richter scale. Countries including Japan, Indonesia, Philippines, and the United States of America are prone to frequent and serious earthquakes. In America alone, the annual cost of an earthquake is $4.4 billion. This cost is representative of cleaning up and rebuilding damaged infrastructure. However, this figure is not representative of the number of people injured or killed from earthquakes or typhoons. However, the innovation of Taipei 101 will inspire countries to develop natural disaster-resistant buildings, which will ultimately improve overall disaster recovery and damage costs and the safety of civilians living nearby.
The Taipei 101 skyscraper was built to withstand the high wind environment caused from frequent typhoons in Taiwan. The engineers understood that crosswinds have the greatest force when applied to a building with sharp 90-degree corners. Thus, the Taipei 101 has rounded, chamfered 45-degree corners. Furthermore, they also applied a double-notched corner to each of the upper modules corners, which further decreased the force of the crosswinds to the skyscraper. The shape of the building is the most predominant feature. Construction from two parallel trusses which curve and become connected to a vertical T. The outside of the building consists of 8 trapeze-like modules stacked together. These shapes also help to change the direction of the wind to ensure it is not directly hitting the skyscraper at its weakest points. Inside the skyscraper, 660 megagrams of stacked steel plates form a hanging sphere which was engineered to ensure the building does not topple over during typhoons. The mass of the sphere represents 0.24% of the total skyscraper mass, and the sphere is located at level 88. When a typhoon hits the pendulum, it swings in the opposite direction to the wind and acts to resist the building from toppling over. This process is known as the damping effect. During seismic events, the building experiences sudden joints, and thus the pendulum is locked down to limit the motion.
Taipei 101 is currently utilised as the Taipei Financial Centre, a shopping mall, and an observatory. This has boosted Taipei's tourism industry such that it attracts over 1 million visitors every year. Furthermore, the shopping centre has ensured that the visitors spent $78.5 million in 2013. Taipei 101 was originally built to resemble a bamboo stalk and to emphasise Taiwan's growing prosperity in the world. Ultimately, the building was created to symbolise the technological evolution of Taiwan, while still keeping the traditions of Asia through its utilisation of Pan-Chinese and Asian architectural elements. Additionally, the skyscraper was awarded with the highest LEED rated building in 2011 due to its environmentally friendly features. The engineers that designed the building utilised features such as double glazed blue-green glass to prevent up to 50% of heat and UV rays from entering the building. A water storage system has been built to ensure 20 to 30% of recycled water is used by patrons. Furthermore, other features of the building include energy-efficient lights and smart energy management and control systems.